Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this time we're going to take a look at the wireless power sharing mode. Okay, so the wireless power sharing mode is definitely a feature that will come in handy at some point. So you can use this to charge another device. For example, let's just say you're traveling and you have two phones, but this phone, the battery dies. There's an important phone number you need to get out of this phone, but because the battery is dead, you cannot power it on to get the phone number out. This is where wireless power share would come in handy. You could just turn it on and then connect this phone to this phone, charge it up a little bit, and then get the phone number out of the phone. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how it works. And it works with any device that has wireless charging capabilities. Okay, so to find wireless power share, just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to battery and device care. Select battery, then scroll all the way down, and here you will see wireless power sharing, and then just turn it on. And it also explains how it works. So put the center of your phone back to back with another device. If you have trouble connecting or charging is slow, remove any cover from each device. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the device over. And then I have my Note 10 here. And as you can see, it is now charging. If you look up there on the battery percentage there, it's now charging. Wireless charging, 60%, as you can see. 52 minutes until full. So that's how you would charge your phone. Also, it works with smartwatches as well. So I have the Huawei GT Runner smartwatch, and it's just the same. You place it on the back, and as you can see, it's now charging. And I'm just going to explain as well that the wireless charging charges at 4.5 watts. So it's really not that quick. So if you want to fully charge a phone, it's going to take quite a long time. So do bear that in mind. However, it's just really good for cases of emergencies. Just like I mentioned, if you want to put a bit of battery life into another phone to get a phone number out or something like that. And also I've got some Galaxy Buds here as well, and it's just the same. Pop it on the back there, place it on the back. And as you can see, the little lights on there, so it's starting to charge. The little red lights come on. So it's letting me know that my battery is low on my earbuds. So once it turns green, I know it's fully charged. So yeah, guys, that was it. Oh, let me just explain one last thing as well before I go. Down here, where it says battery limit, you cannot change it until you turn off the power share. So it's best to do this straight away before you actually connect the devices. So you can set the battery limit. So charging will stop when your phone reaches the battery percentage you set. So if you want your battery on the phone to charge to 50%, let's say, you just set it to 50%, and when it reaches 50%, then the wireless power share would stop and the charging would stop. Or if you want it to get a full charge, or near, well, you can't get to 100%, but if you want it to get near enough to a full charge, just set it to 90% and hit OK, and it will charging will stop when your phone reaches the battery percentage that you've set. Okay guys, so I hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.